Before we dive in, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own unique piece of Seaglass jewelry. Now, let's explore a rising sensation in the world of fashion and jewelry. Picture yourself showcasing a piece of history, a snippet of the ocean's past, beautifully transformed into a breathtaking piece of jewelry. This is the captivating charm of Seaglass jewelry. Seaglass jewelry, with its ethereal beauty and unique charm, is quickly becoming a must-have accessory. These pieces are not just visually appealing, but they also carry a story, a legacy of the sea. Each piece of Seaglass is a unique treasure shaped by the ocean's currents, sand, and time. The creation process of Seaglass jewelry is a testament to artistry and patience. Authentic Seaglass, collected from beaches across the world, is carefully sorted by color, size, and shape. Then, skilled artisans transform these ocean-tumbled gems into breathtaking necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and more. Each piece of jewelry is meticulously crafted, highlighting the natural beauty of the Seaglass while ensuring its inherent character remains untouched. The popularity of Seaglass jewelry has seen a significant surge recently. More and more people are drawn to its unique aesthetic and the story each piece tells. Crafted from authentic Seaglass and often paired with metals like sterling silver, these pieces are a blend of rustic charm and sophisticated elegance. The rise in demand is evident in the thriving online markets. For instance, on platforms like Etsy, Seaglass jewelry pieces are selling at an impressive pace. Star sellers, known for their exceptional customer service and high-quality products, are seeing their Seaglass jewelry collections fly off the virtual shelves. So what makes Seaglass jewelry so popular? It's the combination of its unique beauty, the craftsmanship involved, and the history each piece carries. Every necklace, every earring, every bracelet is a one-of-a-kind piece of wearable art. It's a piece of the ocean's past, shaped by time and nature, and lovingly crafted into a beautiful accessory. In summary, Seaglass jewelry is more than just a trend. It's a testament to the beauty of nature, the skill of artisans, and the love for unique, meaningful accessories. It's a piece of history, a fragment of the ocean's past that you can wear and cherish. With its rising popularity, Seaglass jewelry is not just making waves in the fashion world, it's creating a whole new tide. We hope you've been captivated by the allure of Seaglass jewelry. Now it's your turn to own a piece of this oceanic treasure. We have a vast collection of Seaglass jewelry on Etsy, ranging from necklaces, earrings, to bracelets, each uniquely crafted with love and precision. Don't wait, dive into the Seaglass jewelry collection by checking out the link in the description below. Start your adventure with Seaglass jewelry today, and let the ocean's past grace your present.